Hop, 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 hop. All jungle. May papakita ako sa inyo, sabi sa mga local here na meron daw falls dito sa Malagana. Makikita natin yung view deck. So right there in the middle, that is view deck. Masukal na daan. I don't know if I can survive this. It's crazy. I'm not belonging eh. Oh, it's not easy to get in here. Kind of tight. Almost get there, the falls. So little dudes in here is a lumad. He knows everything in this place because it's kind of like very slope, kind of so risky. Ta, sulay na to. What's up, man? Sulayan ako pag go down there, but I have to hold tight like this.
Kasi hindi namin kaya. Yes.
Hop. Wow. Hop, 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 hop. Wow. Careful, careful. Careful. Are we gonna survive in here? We can do it this. High five. Hey,
Ito, ito. Lang dito.
we made it up here. Say hello.
Hello.
Ito yung sinasabi nila na may malaking mahaba na falls. So this is it, guys. This is it. Jungle, jungle. It's too high, too risky, too dangerous. We made it to come over up here. We made it.